guys, in this video in action, I'm going to discuss about how to install Eclipse IDE in Linux operating system. So first here, for downloading, in Google search box write there Eclipse IDE, then go eclipseid.org site. Click this or this site, then or click on this download 2025. Here you can see this new page that's open. So this here going to use their Linux operating system. So that you need to click this and now click on this download button. So file is now downloading. Now thereafter let's go on this activity. Open the terminal. Then or this place if I write there Java version. Then you can see already Java 24 version is there. The next is if I write Java this working, Java C also working. So first you need to download and install the Java JDK. Now this download that has done, let's open this. Or the next is here you need to extract the file. So this extracted, let's click this Eclipse installer. Now you need to click on this Eclipse INST. So double click there. Then here Eclipse installer. This is there. This is now opening. The next is here you can select Eclipse IDE for Java developer. This is for web, C++, and PHP, and many more. Let's use this first option. Then you need to click on this install button. Click on this accept, and now here you can see Eclipse IDE for Java developer. This is now installing inside there. Here you can see this is the status. Now you can see Eclipse IDE for Java developer. This installed successfully. If you want, then you can launch from here. Let's click on this or close. So yes, thereafter this is now opening, or you can see if I go on this activity here, you can also see Eclipse IDE. So let's click on this launch. This is the workspace. Click on this launch button. Now starting this Eclipse IDE inside the Linux operating system. Thereafter the first thing is create project or create Java project. So let's give here test 1 is the Java SE is taken there. Let's click on this next. Here let's click on this finish. So project is created. Here you can see this all. Thereafter right click new. Then let's create here package pkg is the name that's giving. Thereafter let's write there new. Then here you need to click on this test. So here you need to give the name. So let's give there first, and public static should be included there. Thereafter let's click on this. Here you can see this place, let's write there system dot out dot print ln. So inside writing there hello world. Control S to save. Now you need to run. Click on this run. Hello world, that's displaying. So this is how we can install this Eclipse IDE, then run the Java code inside there. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.